Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share the recipe for how to make really easy keto overnight oats. There's 4 core ingredients and lots of ideas for other ingredients that are low carb keto friendly to incorporate inside and to have as toppings, and I'll leave that all down in the blog post down below, so click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this lovely keto overnight oats a try and what you think of it. So let me chat you through a couple of the ingredients and then show you how to make it. Now this is what I'm using as my substitute for oats. I've got milled flax seeds over here and milled chia seeds. You could use whole chia seeds, you could use unmilled flaxseed, but this combination just gives a good oat substitute. You might also prefer to use hemp seeds or hemp hearts, but this is the combination that I'm choosing to use in my keto overnight oats. And for the natural yogurt that I'm using, it's West Cork made natural yogurt, Irish whole milk and cream unsweetened. Ideally go for a plain natural or Greek yogurt, because you'll see when you look at the nutrition, it's the lowest in carb that you can find. This one per 100 grams has 5.9 carbs and 3.2 of those are sugars. So it's kind of the ideal low carb keto friendly yogurt to use in an overnight oats recipe. Now that I've chatted you through the ingredients, let's get making it. I'm starting with 1/4 cup of the ground chia seeds, 1/4 cup of the milled flax seeds. And I find when you mix those two together, they kind of resemble oats. That's perfect. And then you need 1/2 cup of your milk of choice. Since I've got my 1/4 cup handy, I'm just going to have 2 of those. And then finally 1/4 cup of your yogurt. I've got that plain, lovely natural yogurt. And then gently give everything a mix together. I'm quite happy with that consistency. If you think it's too thick, just add a little bit more milk until you're happy that it's a nice runny consistency for now, because once it goes into the fridge it will thicken up. But yeah, now I'm happy with that. It's nice and creamy, and we'll let those chia seeds and flax seeds get to work. So pop it in the fridge, ideally for overnight, but you can do it for 4 hours. So I'll often make this after dinner, so then breakfast is waiting for me in the fridge the next morning, and you can get some toppings ready as well. So I'm going to pop it into the fridge overnight to thicken up, and while it's thickening up I'm actually going to make my chia jam, which I've shared the recipe for in the past, but I'll just chat you through really quickly how to make chia jam, because I'm going to use that as my topping. So let me show you how to make it. To make the homemade chia jam, these are the berries I'm using. They're from Aldi, a whole lot of summer fruits. They're all just different mixed berries. So I'm going to pop the whole bag onto the stove top to get heated up. I've popped the whole bag of frozen berries into a pot on the stove top. Just keep mixing them, they'll slowly thaw and then become a lovely jam. You can see the jam's bubbling along nicely. Just help it along, help the bigger pieces of berries break down a bit, and just keep a close watch of it, and soon we'll have jam. It's difficult to see, but the jam's been bubbling away, and now what I like to do is take it off the heat and then swap the spoon for a potato masher and mash all those last berries until we've got a lovely smooth jam. Now I've added on 1/4 cup of stevia and 1/4 cup of chia seeds, just to sweeten and help thicken and set the jam, and just keep mashing and get that incorporated through. There you go. So now I've mixed in the chia seeds and the stevia, and now you can see it's still steaming hot. Allow it to cool to room temperature, pop it into a jar, then in the fridge, and then when the overnight oats are ready tomorrow, you'll have some lovely homemade jam to enjoy with it, which I will show you next. So the keto overnight oats has been in the fridge overnight, and if you pop a spoon in, you can see the texture really does look like overnight oats. And now it is up to you with toppings. There's lots of toppings you can pop on top of it. Nuts, seeds, some fruit, some berries. I'll leave all the ideas in the blog post down below. But I'm going to put that homemade jam on the top. Just like that, you can see I've popped a few spoons. My jam has set up beautifully. So I've popped a few spoons of the jam on top. I've added a whole lot of seeds to the top for some crunchiness. I've got this 4-seed mix, which it's from Aldi, and I've added on top for some crunch. But look at my lovely keto overnight oats. It makes such a great, perfect, make ahead, low carb, keto friendly breakfast. So that is the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.